Ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the Norwood HD36 portable sawmill. And so Leah and I got the axle on yesterday, and I'll show you that in a minute. But what we're going to do here now is lower it down onto the wheels. Counterclockwise. So that we can tighten up for a final tighten. That's good. Do that one?
I'm not touching the wood.
Yeah. Go down with that. Go down with that one.
I'm going up. Why is that?
It's good. Stop.
What's going up?
I want it up. We want it to be sitting on the wheels. And then that one up too. So now it's just sitting on these two back jacks. The rest are up. And now it's actually sitting on the tires for the first time ever. And the axle goes in with just a few parts, which you can see right there. It came with the leaf spring attached. So it was pretty simple. We just had to put in these bolts here and attach the parts of the frame. So now we have a trailer we can move around, and the number of boxes is shrinking up. And Leah and I also got lucky with the instructions again, because when we were trying to, before we put the axle on, we were putting these rails on, and it wasn't until like 4 pages ahead of where we were where it told us how to actually put them on. So you could have put these rails on incorrectly, which we did a little bit. But there was a template that you had to run down here to keep it perfectly spaced.
We caught it in the nick of time.
Yeah, we did. We caught it in the nick of time. So now this trailer is huge. It's like 24, 8, 16. It's like 25 feet long with the yoke here. And we're about to move it out of here, or move it around for the first time ever. As we continue to build, we'll keep you updated on the progress. Axle is on. Now we just have to build the body, the chassis and the body that moves the saw back and forth here. And that's where the Vanguard 23V Twin comes in. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday to me.